to ground, a very good evening, Pakistan 790 Heavy.
Pakistan 790 Heavy trying to ground, good evening, runway 23, ATIS is November, altimeter 3002, taxi via Alpha, hold short, hotel.
Runway 23 November, altimeter 3002, Alpha, hold short of hotel, Pakistan 790.
Pakistan 790, right hotel, monitor tower 1187, good night.
Right on hotel, monitor tower 1187. Good evening, Pakistan 790.
Pakistan 790 Heavy, Charles Tower, line up wait, runway 23.
Very good evening, Pakistan 790, line up and wait, runway 23 by hotel, Pakistan 790.
Pakistan 790, cross Charles from the 777 ahead, wind 160 10 knots for takeoff runway 23.
Ready for takeoff, runway 23, Pakistan 790.
Pakistan 790 Heavy, contact departure 128 decimal 8.
128 decimal 8, Pakistan 790.